Baby registry for Gio. Oh, awesome. Free gift from
Nice.
Oh, there's might be a lot inside. It's heavy. It's heavy too.
Awesome, get down.
Sekarang ada yang merekam pasal. Oh, Palmer's. What's this? Coupon. 50% shutter bar. Perfect amplifier for a baby. Really? What is this? Oh, that's nice. Oh, what is this? Free breakfast for life? Really?
No.
How do you even do that?
No.
Wow, look at this today.
That doesn't
full.
sound right. Yeah, it's full. I can't really tell what's in there.
Oh, wow. Breast milk storage bag. I like this. So, oh, they're giving us two even. Wow. Mother's milk?
Awesome.
Oh, look at this, baby. This is what I'm like looking for. We're gonna buy this thrift at some detergent for a baby. Yeah, another one. Dr. Brown's. Oh, we have a lot of this one already. They're just really good. Oh.
We got a lot of those now too.
Oh, look at this. This is even really good. I like it. The color too. Another cool thing for the baby. Oh, I like it. Swaddle. I like it.
Zebra.
Oh, this is for you, baby.
It's for you.
No, I'm not drinking. Oh, for hydration. Wow. So, plus this baby registry from Amazon. Plus this. Stretch marks and skin oil therapy. Nice. Plus another one. Another one. Wow. Is it the same with you still?
Yeah.
Wow. A lot.
Yeah, they give us a lot.
Nice. Wow. This is so nice, baby. We did not even pay anything.
They get a lot of free. They give a lot of free stuff for the newborn baby.
Wow, what is this?
It's like everywhere you go, no matter where you go, everybody's so
Unwrap
excited.
your present before opening this. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. What is this?
And you can't. You're supposed to unwrap it first.
Huh?
You're not even reading the directions.
Okay. Ah, look at this. Wow, what is this?
Hold on, real quick. Awesome, you excited? He already lost his toy.
Oh, what is this? Oh, this is what your uncle bought for us. I thought it was like from the baby registry. Ding, 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 ding.
Oh. Wait a minute.
Yeah, he bought this.
Oh, this is from Uncle Dennis, not Margie?
Dennis, yeah.
Oh, I didn't even know.
I thought it was like on the baby registry. This pump.
The other one was from the baby registry.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Wow, look at that. Plus this one. I know they bought two. Plus they they had tried to put it in this. Wow. They're extravagant, huh?
Oh, wow. Thank you, Auntie and Uncle. Auntie Margie, Uncle Den Den.
So cute.
That's so sweet.
Yeah, and then they bought this too.
We're getting all mixed up. My fingers are opening.
Oh, this is the one I told you, baby. I like this for our baby. Oh. Yeah, I like this for our baby. Yeah, put it on the collection. Oh wait, what is this again? I forgot what this is.
I like vacuum too. It's so sanitary. That's why.
I actually forgot what this is. A diaper or something?
No, I think it's the.
Swaddle? Oh, a sleeping bag.
Oh, I think it's a sleeping bag, like for the newborn. Yeah, yeah. See, look. Just look.
Yeah, it seems like it's not washable though. Is it washable?
Everything's washable.
Let me see. So soft. Oh,
Wow, so cute.
Look at that. Isn't it so beautiful? Oh, look at that, baby. It's so beautiful. Look it. That's beautiful.
I want to feel it, but
Oh,
my hands
wow.
are sweaty.
So how many items from Amazon? 1, 2,
It's not.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. Thank you, Amazon, for the free gifts. And Jordan's Uncle Dennis and Aunt Marjorie for this very wonderful baby bag
Yeah, they got most of the gifts.
and this
That we open.
breast pump.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Love you guys.
Love you.
You need to get out of here. Oh, you're a rascal. Cat is a rascal.
Excuse
Hey.
me, sir. Sorry, excuse me, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.